17. X squared equals negative 841. How many distinct real solutions does the given equation have? If you wanted to put this into a graphing calculator and see, where it crosses the x-axis, that would be your solution. You want to see where, if anywhere, it crosses the x-axis. You can do that. There's nothing wrong with doing that. Random ruler. There's nothing wrong with doing that if you wanted to. But you don't even have to go that far. You can just look at this and say it says x squared equals negative 841. Is there any real number that we can square to get to a negative? No. It's impossible. It's going to be a positive number times a positive number, or a negative number times a negative number, because that's what a square is. It's the same number times itself. Those are the only two options when we're talking real numbers. There can be a real positive number times itself, which would be another positive number, or a negative number times itself, another negative. In this case, a positive times a positive equals a positive, and a negative times a negative also equals a positive. So there is no way that a real number squared would get us to a negative anything. It doesn't matter if negative 841. The number after is irrelevant. Just the negative is relevant. It's impossible. There are 0 real solutions to that equation. Hey guys, head over to my new site, mathwithalyssa.com, to get your free, yes, free 10-video course of SAT tips and tricks. It covers things like how to make a study plan that's perfect for you, how to pace yourself during the test to get maximum points, and so much more. I'm super excited to get this out to you guys, and a lot more SAT prep help is coming for you in the weeks ahead. Again, that is mathwithalyssa.com. And if you liked the video you just watched, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.